You just get that little bit of angle on it, and then just push. And as you're pushing, lift up the handle a little bit so you get that point. Okay. A little. Make sure we start again. Can you see how the entire blade is contacting it? Yeah. That's what you want to look for when you start. And then as you go along, you can pick that blade up. Yep. Pick the blade up and good. Now do a few in the other direction. And then lift up. And it's a little awkward in the other direction. A few more like that, then we're going to turn it over and give you a few.
Can I sharpen mine?
You will.
Did you not just shave off all the bumper? No.
That's not a fuzz stick. All right. And now we're going to turn it